The heart of every home is a kitchen, and every outdated kitchen is a paycheck. There are millions of them. The kitchen remodeling industry is booming, and families are investing millions to modeling, remaking, and giving them fancy spaces. Kitchen tune-up franchises are built on quick turnaround projects, lasting client relationships, and services that add instant value to any home. With IFBC, your partner with a trusted brand that gives you proven business systems, marketing power, and the tools to grow quickly. And you don't need to be a designer or construction expert to own a business. You just have to manage your business while the brand will do everything from recruiting, training, and ongoing support so that your business can grow faster. This is the fastest growing market, and the most growing territories are getting claimed. So book your free IFBC consultation today and become the business owner of the most in-demand business.